Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. Now, in this lecture, we are going to discuss arithmetic progressions. Some practice sums based on arithmetic progression. So here, the first concept that we have to discuss in our video is Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci sequence. Done? One question was asked in the examination March 2013. Done? So the question was based on Fibonacci sequence. So what is Fibonacci sequence? So here we have to understand the definition of Fibonacci sequence. So here for Fibonacci sequence, it is given that the first term of that sequence is always 1. First term is always fixed, that is 1. No, first term fixed रहेगी. Second term is also fixed and that is equal to 1. Done? For Fibonacci sequence, first term is always 1, second term is always 1. Now third term. So what is third term? So third term will be the sum of its previous two terms. So third term will be a2 plus a1, that is equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So third term will be 2. Same way, fourth term of the sequence is sum of previous two terms. So it's a3 plus a2, that is equal to 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Fifth term is sum of fourth term and third term. Fourth term is 3 and third term is 2. This is equal to 5. Clear friends? So this is the definition of Fibonacci sequence. So in short, we can remember the definition of this Fibonacci sequence as, कैसे याद रखेंगे? So here for Fibonacci sequence, a1 and a2 both are equal to 1, and our nth term will be defined as a n minus 1 plus a n minus 2, where n is always greater than 2. n is always greater than 2. n is always greater than 2. 2 से बड़ा होगा n, that means for 3, 4, 5 we can define this Fibonacci sequence. Clear students? तो ये थी Fibonacci sequence. मार्च 2013 में जो क्वेश्चन था वो ऐसा था कि द गिवन सीक्वेंस 1, 1, 2, 3, 5 है ना, ये 3 plus 2 5 और ये 8 13. This one is dash sequence. So whether it is arithmetic progression, उसके बाद 11th में स्टडी करेंगे whether it is geometric progression or whether it is another type of sequence. So this sequence is a special type of sequence which is known as Fibonacci sequence. Clear friends? So now please pause this video and note it down. Okay friends, now this question number 2, which is also asked in March 2013. If Sn equal to 2n square plus 3n, Sn मतलब sum of n term is 2n square plus 3n, then d is dash. You have to find the d मतलब common difference of this given AP. Done? तो इसको हम दो तरीके से कर सकते हैं. तो पहला तरीका है ना, तो Sn, so if you are taking n equal to 1 means sum of first one term is nothing but the first term of AP है ना. पहली एक टर्म का सम मतलब फर्स्ट टर्म. सो फर्स्ट टर्म इज n equal to 1. Putting n equal to 1, 2 into 1 square plus 3 into 1. So here 2 into 1 square, 2 plus 3 equal to 5. This is first term. So here our first term A, so let's say T1 or A1, first term is 5. What is second term? Second term is T2, which is nothing but the first term plus common difference. Done? So this will be our second term. Now from here, given S of n, Sn, we can say sum of first two term. Sum of first two term, S2 is sum of first two term. So first term is A, that is equal to 5. Second term is a plus d, that is sum of first two term. So it's a plus d, sum of first two term, and that is equal to 2a plus d. Clear? And also we can put n equal to 2 to find the sum of first two term. So what is sum of first two term by using this formula? It's a 2 into 2 square plus 3 into 2. So this is equal to 2 square, 4 2s are 8 plus 3 2s are 6. This is equal to 14. Done. So sum of first two term is 14. Also S2 is equal to 2a plus d. So on comparison on both these results, we can say, what we can say, 14 equal to 2a. What is a? A is 5. First term is 5. So 2a plus d. Therefore 14 equal to 2 5s are 10 plus d. 14 minus 10. So d is 4. D is 4. Done. ये हमारी शॉर्टकट मेथड थी. दूसरी मेथड है ना, तो दूसरी मेथड क्या हो सकती है? सो हियर वी नो दैट, है ना, पहले तो आप इसको नोट डाउन करो, उसके बाद सेकेंड मेथड. नाउ चलो सेकेंड मेथड, d इक्वल टू 4 आंसर आ गया. सेकेंड मेथड कौन सी हो सकती है? इफ वी नो द फॉर्मूला देन वी कैन फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस कॉमन डिफरेंस d very easily. So here Sn is given. So we know that we can find the value of nth term of given arithmetic progression by using the formula Sn minus Sn minus 1. Yes, sum of n term minus sum of n minus 1 term will give us nth term. Say result number 1. And what about common difference? Common difference is nothing but the difference between two consecutive terms. So if n term is there, we can subtract a n minus 1 term from this n term, we will get the common difference. This is result number 2. So by using this formula, we can get d. Done. So now first we will try to find our an from this Sn. तो क्या होगा? an will be Sn minus Sn minus 1. Sn is given. Sn is 2n square plus 3n. 2n square plus 3n. This is Sn minus Sn minus 1. What is Sn minus 1? जहाँ पर भी n होगा वहाँ पर आपको रिप्लेस करना होगा n minus 1. So it's a 2 n minus 1 whole square plus 3 into n minus 1. Clear? Done. Now simplify this one. This is equal to 2n square plus 3n minus expansion करो. It's a 2 into n minus 1 whole square. It's a n square minus 2n plus 1 plus 3n minus 3. Done. ये कर्ली ब्रैकेट डालो भाई, है ना, ये कर्ली ब्रैकेट में कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है. 2n स्क्वायर प्लस 3n माइनस ये क्या हो जाएगा? इट्स अ 2n स्क्वायर माइनस 4n प्लस 2 प्लस 3n माइनस 3. ब्रैकेट ओपन करो. 2n स्क्वायर प्लस 3n माइनस 2n स्क्वायर माइनस 4n प्लस 3n माइनस n माइनस प्लस n प्लस 2 माइनस 3 माइनस 1 प्लस 1. So 2n square cut and this will be 3n. Okay, chalo. So this one is 4n plus 1. So an will be 4n plus 1. Done. So if we are having an, we can find common difference d. So our answer will be common difference d is nothing but the an minus an minus 1. So an is 4n plus 1. So value of an is 4n plus 1 or an is 4n plus 1 minus 4 an minus 1. So an minus 1 is nothing but replacing this n with n minus 1. So minus 4 into n minus 1 plus 1. Done. So simplify this. This is equal to 4n plus 1 minus 4n minus 4 plus 1. So open this bracket. 4n plus 1 minus 4n plus 4 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 cancel, minus 1 plus 4n cancel. This is equal to 4. Done. So common difference D, और आंसर इज 4. तो आप दोनों मेथड से ये क्वेश्चन सोल्व कर सकते हो. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? सो नाउ यू कैन पॉज दिस वीडियो एंड नोट इट डाउन. Okay students, now next question, that is question number 3. Here we are given that the sum of 3 consecutive terms of AP is 48. 3 consecutive terms of AP is 48 and the product of first term and last term is 252. Then what is the common difference D of this given AP? Done. So here students, whenever there are 3 terms, whenever the 3 consecutive terms of AP are given, we have to assume the term like this. So here let's assume that let 3 consecutive terms of AP, 3 consecutive terms of AP B, है ना. 3 consecutive terms को हम कैसे assume करेंगे? Let's say 3 consecutive terms of AP B, A minus D, A plus D, where A is the first term of AP and D is the common difference. Done. ये आपको याद रखना है. Whenever the 3 consecutive terms are given, we will be assumed like this. Whenever the 4 consecutive terms are given, 4 consecutive terms, we will be assumed like this. A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D, है ना. 4 consecutive terms को हम ऐसे assume करेंगे, 3 consecutive terms को हम ऐसे assume करेंगे. Done. ये आपको याद रखना है. Now आपका सम अभी हो गया. So what we are given? The sum of 3 consecutive terms is 48. That means sum of all these 3 terms is 48. So now sum of these 3 terms, A minus D first term, second term and third term is 48. So here minus D plus D cancel out. So 3A equal to 48 and therefore A equal to 48 by 3 is 16. So first term is 16. Done. This is by using first condition. First line, sum of 3 consecutive term is 48. Now read the second condition, second line, and the product of first term and last term. So which is the first term? 3 consecutive terms. This is first term and this is last term. So now we are given that the product of this first term and last term. So product मतलब multiplication. So it's A minus D, A plus D. So product is 252. Product of first term and last term is 252. ये हो गई product. Now what is A? A is 16. So this will be 16 minus D, 16 plus D equal to 252. Now this one is formula identity A minus B, A plus B. So it's A square minus B square. So here this can be simplified as 16 square minus D square equal to 252, है ना. Therefore लिखना है. Therefore 16 square 256 minus D square equal to 252. Taking this minus D square on the right hand side, 252 in the left hand side. So what we are getting? It's a 256 minus 252 equal to D square, and hence we are getting D square equal to 4, and therefore D equal to plus or minus 2. D equal to plus or minus 2. Done. So here common difference, if you are taking D is a minus 2, common difference is minus 2, then 3 terms will be, है ना. D को minus 2 ले लिया तो 3 terms कौन सी होगी? A minus A मतलब 16 minus 2 a 16 and third term a plus d, so it's a 16 minus 2. So this will be 18, 16 and 14. तो इसका एडिशन 48 हो गया है ना. So these are the three terms when d is minus 2, and if d is plus 2, then three terms will be 16 minus d, 16 minus 2, so it's a 14, 16 and 18. In short, we are getting the same terms. So that three terms are nothing but the 18 है ना. और आंसर will be कौन सी three terms? 18, 16 and 14. These are the three terms. Clear students? So now you can pause this video and note it down. Okay friends, now next question is find the sum of first n natural numbers. Sum of first n natural numbers. So what is the natural number? Natural number is the set of numbers which is represented by capital N, which is starts from 1. So 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinite. So this is the set of natural number. Total n number of numbers are there. We have to find their sum. Done. So here we can observe that for this set of natural number, common difference is always constant. 2 minus 1, that is 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. So common difference is always constant, and therefore this natural numbers, set of natural numbers form one arithmetic progression. So here we have to find the sum of n terms. How many terms are there? Sum of total n terms. So for this AP, we can say its first term A is 1, common difference D is 2 minus 1, which is 1, and total number of terms are n. We have to find this sum of n numbers. So sum of first n natural number is Sn. What is the formula? Formula is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now put the values, we will get sum of n natural numbers. Sum of first n natural numbers. So n number of terms are there. N by 2, 2 into a is first term, which is 1, plus n as it is, d is common difference, which is 1. So this is equal to n by 2, 2 plus n minus 1, and this is equal to n, this one is n plus 1 by 2. Done. So this one is important formula that you have to note down. Sum of first n natural numbers. Sum of first n natural numbers. Done. Sum of first n natural number is nothing but the n plus 1 by 2 है ना. ये फॉर्मूला हम बारी बारी से बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस में यूज़ करने वाले हैं, तो ये फॉर्मूला आपको याद रखना है स्टूडेंट्स. डन. सो नाउ यू कैन पॉज दिस वीडियो एंड नोट इट डाउन. Okay friends, now question number 6. Question number 5 was not recorded properly, but you can note it in your note it down in your notebook. Now question number 6. Now here, if 2k plus 1, 13 and 5k minus 3 are 3 consecutive terms of an arithmetic progression, then find the value of k. You have to find the value of this unknown variable k. What we are given? We are given 3 terms. Which 3 terms? 2k plus 1, 13 and 5k minus 3 are in AP. These given 3 terms are in AP. So we know that if 3 terms are in arithmetic progression, their common difference will always be constant. So here, what is the common difference? Common difference is the difference between 2 consecutive terms. So here, difference of these 2 terms, 13 minus 2k plus 1, that is always equal to difference of this 2 term, which is 5k minus 3 minus 13. Common difference is always constant. Done. This is the concept. So here common difference is always constant. common difference is always constant in terms of AP, and hence we can compare this both of the common difference. So now solve this equation. It's a 13 minus, open this bracket, 2k minus 1, this is equal to 5k minus 3 minus 13. So therefore this one is 13 minus 1, 12 minus 2k equal to, this will be 5k minus माइनस एडिशन करना है, इट्स अ माइनस 16 और लार्ज नंबर की साइन, सो माइनस 16. सो नाउ टेकिंग दिस 5k, सॉरी टेकिंग दिस माइनस 2k ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड, माइनस 16 ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. सो इट्स अ 12 प्लस माइनस 16 का हो जाएगा प्लस, इक्वल टू 5k, दिस विल बी प्लस 2k, माइनस 2k विल कन्वर्टेड इनटू प्लस. सो दिस विल बी 16 प्लस 12, इट्स अ 28 इक्वल टू 7k. So our k will be 28 by 7, 7 4s are 28. So k is answer, k is equal to 4. Done. This is again the question from the board examination March 2013. Clear friends? So now pause this video and note it down. Okay students, now next question, question number 7. So here we are given that the dash term of the AP is 0. We are given one arithmetic progression in which first term a equal to 200, a equal to 200, whose common difference d is 196 minus 200, which is equal to minus 4, है ना. कॉमन डिफरेंस सेकेंड टर्म में से फर्स्ट टर्म सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, थर्ड में से सेकेंड, सो कॉमन डिफरेंस इज minus 4. So this is one arithmetic progression, and which term of this arithmetic progression is 0, है ना. ये आगे आगे जाती जाएगी, लास्ट टर्म उसकी जो होगी वो 0 आएगी. वो कौन से नंबर की टर्म है? सो वी हैव टू फाइंड दैट ऑर्डर ऑफ दैट टर्म. डन. सो let's say that nth term, है ना, we can say t nth term is 0. Nth term of this AP is 0, that means Tn term is 0. So here we will get the value of n. So what is the formula? So formula says that nth term, which is Tn, also given by a n, कोई भी notation use करो, so it's a plus n minus 1 into d. So nth term is 0, so this one is 0. Done. First term a is 200 plus, we have to find order of that number n, and d is common difference minus 4. Now taking this minus 4, है ना, आप इसको minus 4 into n minus 1 को राइट साइड पर ले लो, so it will be 4 into and minus 1 equal to 200. Now this 4 will go into division, so it's n minus 1 equal to 200 by 4. So here 54s are 200, so n will be 50 minus 1 plus 1, so n will be 51. क्या आंसर आया? 51st term, है ना, 51st term of this given arithmetic progression will be 0. Done. So this is how we can find the answer of this question. Done students. Now again pause तो करना पड़ेगा and note down भी करना पड़ेगा. Okay students, now next question is for the given arithmetic progression, its 7th term is 12, 12th term is 72, find the common difference d. Done. बेसिकली हमारे जो NCERT की टेक्स्ट बुक में उसमें एक फॉर्मूला गिवन नहीं है, लेकिन वो फॉर्मूला हमारी प्रीवियस जो गुजरात बोर्ड की टेक्स्ट बुक थी उसमें गिवन था, तो वहाँ पर हम कॉमन डिफरेंस डी डायरेक्ट निकाल सकते हैं. सो दैट फॉर्मूला इज डी इक्वल टू nth term minus nth term upon m minus n. Done. So here mth term is suppose 12th term and n term is 7th term. So this one is suppose our nth term, this is our nth term, where n equal to 7 and m equal to 12. We can easily find the common difference for this given arithmetic progression. Yes. So this one is d equal to tm. So it's a t12 minus t7 upon m minus n, 12 minus 7. Therefore this common difference d will be T12 minus T7. T12 is 72 minus T7 is 12 upon 12 minus 7 is 5. So here common difference D is 60 upon 5. So D is 12. Done. So directly we get the value of common difference D. But हमारी NCERT की टेक्स्ट बुक में ऐसा कोई फॉर्मूला गिवन नहीं है ना, ये एक डिराइव फॉर्मूला है। अगर ये फॉर्मूला आपको याद नहीं आता है एग्जाम में तो आप सिंपली nth टर्म का फॉर्मूला यूज़ करके इसका आंसर डिराइव कर सकते हो। कैसे चेक करते हैं। व्हाट वी आर गिवन, वी आर गिवन दैट 7 term is 12, 7 term is 12, we are having the formula of n term है ना, Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d है ना। Tn को हम an भी लिखते हैं तो कोई भी नोटेशन आप यूज कर सकते हो। सो हियर nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d, 7 term is given, so T7, what is T7, it's a plus 7 minus 1 into d. So what is T7? T7 is 12. So here we can say it's a 12 equal to, T7 is 12, 12 equal to a plus 7 minus 1 is 6. So one equation is there, a plus 60 equal to 12. By same way here we can say T12, T12 is 72. So T12 is nothing but the a plus 12 minus 1 into d. What is T12? It's a 72. So again we are getting another equation, 72 equal to a plus 11d. Done. Two equations are there, a plus 60 equal to 12 and a plus 11d equal to 72. These are the pair of linear equations in two variable. Solve them, we will get the value of d. So now कैसे solve करेंगे? It's a plus 11d equal to 72, a plus 6d equal to 12. By method of elimination, change the sign, minus minus minus, ये कट हो गया, 11d minus 6d, 5d equal to 60. So d will be 5d equal to 60 by 5. So our answer d will be 12. डन। तो यहाँ पर आपको डी भी पूछ सकते हैं है ना। आप यहाँ पर एडिशनली फर्स्ट टर्म ए को फाइंड करने के लिए भी पूछ सकते हैं। तो कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? से दिस वन इज ए रिजल्ट नंबर 1, रिजल्ट 2। सो पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस डी इक्वल टू 12 इन आइदर ऑफ द वन इक्वेशन, विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ फर्स्ट टर्म है ना। सो पुट इन रिजल्ट नंबर 2। सो इट्स a plus 6 d is 12 इक्वल टू 12। अगर आपको एडिशनली पूछ ले कि कॉमन डिफरेंस डी और ए क्या वो भी बताओ तो आप ए भी फाइंड कर सकते हो। So it's a plus 12 6 72 equal to 12. So a is 12 minus 72. So a will be minus 60. Value of a is minus 60. ये आप फाइंड कर सकते हो। क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? एडिशनली आपको ये भी पूछ सकते हैं कि अगर आपके पास ए और डी आ गया तो आप ऐसा कुछ पूछ सकते हैं कि फाइंड द 15 टर्म है ना, कोई पर्टिकुलर टर्म फाइंड करो, 15 टर्म 17 टर्म 18 टर्म। तो ए और डी का यूज़ करके, फॉर्मूला का यूज़ करके आप वो टर्म भी फाइंड कर सकते हो। डन। तो मेथड कॉमन रहेगी, क्वेश्चंस में वेरिएशन आ सकता है। क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? सो नाउ पॉज दिस वीडियो एंड नोट इट डाउन। Okay students, now last question, question number 10. Here we have to find the sum of these given numbers, 3 plus 6 plus 12 plus 300 equal to what? तो यहाँ पर देखो एकदम सिंपल, आपको ये सम फाइंड करना है कि 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 अप टू 300। तो आप बोलेंगे सब फर्स्ट टर्म फाइंड करो, कॉमन डिफरेंस फाइंड करो, नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स फाइंड करो, ऐसे तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं करना है ना। डायरेक्ट देखो, हियर वी कैन टेक 3 कॉमन। If we are taking 3 common, it's a 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to 100. So what is this? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to 100. It's the sum of first 100 natural number. क्या है ये? 3 into sum of first how many 100 natural numbers? 100 natural numbers. Done. We know the sum of first n natural numbers. What is the formula? Formula says that sum of first n natural number is n plus 1 by 2 So replace n with 100. So it's 100 plus 1 by 2. So this is equal to 3 by 2 into 100 into 101. तो मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या होगा, इट्स अ 1.5. सो इट्स अ 1500. डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लिकेशन करें तो our आंसर विल बी 15,150 is the sum of these given numbers. Clear friends? So these are the basic questions which can be asked in your board examination. So solve these questions and practice of this question.